Shaili comments to pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's thought is brought to you by Pavitra from Grade IX Topaz. Thought: accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. I will repeat it again. Accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning to everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Viharika from Grade IX Topaz. International news. Powerful storms kick up wall of dust, leaving thousands without power. Trump says he is prepared to impose economic sanctions on Russia. National news. Bhubaneswar to host National Conference on Welfare of SCs and STs. Lok Sabha Speaker to inaugurate. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji receives heartfelt farewell at Ahmedabad Airport. That's the end of international and national news report. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.
I'm Kisaloki of Grade IX Topaz. Today I am going to say weather report. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, wind speed 18 km per hour, humidity 93%.
A very happy morning everyone. My name is Wilson of Grade IX Topaz. I am here to say state and sport news. State news. Telangana CM puts state on high alert as heavy rain flood in villages. Sports news. PKL season 12 begins in Vizag with Telugu Titans versus Tamil Talaivas. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today GK questions about sports is brought to you by Vishnu from Grade IX Topaz. Question 5 Grade 7. Which game is known as the king of sports? Yes, you picked the correct answer and answer is football. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Which famous Indian sport originated in Maharashtra and involves riding and tagging? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Kabaddi. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which is the only sport where the playing surface changes during the game? I repeat my question. Which is the only sport where the playing surface changes during the game? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is cricket. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 10. What is the main message of the Olympic Games that shows love and unity among countries? I repeat my question. What is the main message of the What is the main message of the Olympic Games that shows love and unity among countries?
Good morning to all. I am Binanda Kishore of Grade IX Topaz. Now I am here to speak about Arjun Jaiswal. I am honored to speak about Arjun Jaiswal. Better he is known as Kabaddi League Ride Machine. And he was born on 7 July 1999 in Basara village, Mumfasa Nagar, UP. Arjun Jaiswal began his Kabaddi journey at 14 years old and he entered Kabaddi with U Mumbai, and in season 6 and season 7 he performed very well, and later he moved to Jaipur Pink Panthers. He performed well in season 9 2022 and he scored 296 points and 17 super 10s. He is the second fastest person to reach 1,000 points in 97 matches. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Sarayu of Grade IX Topaz. Today I want to talk about building confidence. Confidence is about believing in yourself, your abilities and your worth. It's what empowers you to take risks, pursue your passion and overcome challenges. To build confidence, focus on your strengths and celebrate your achievements. Practice positive self-talk by using affirmations to encourage and motivate yourself. Take risks and step out of your comfort zone. It's where confidence grows. Learn from your mistakes and don't be discouraged by failures. Surround yourself with positive influences that boost your confidence. Building confidence takes time and effort, but it's worth it. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve amazing things. Let's make a commitment to build your confidence. Believe in yourselves and pursue our dreams with courage and determination. Let's unlock our full potential and achieve greatness. Thank you. Have a marvelous day ahead.